Hi friends, how are you? So today we again come with a new video, and today is 13th of January 2025. So I first of all I will say a happy new year to all of you and my subscribers. So right now I am in the Noida, as I as I have already told you, Noida sector 126. So right now there is also a park which is provided by HCL on the basis of CSR, corporate social responsibility. So this is a park made by HCL Foundation to all the humans and publics who lives near Noida sector 126, near to the HCL Tech office. I will also show you the parks, and I am very happy today. So today I got the opportunity to again meet all of you. Yes, there is a time management I have to do to get a new videos for all of you. So today I got the time, as today is my week off. Monday to Tuesday is my week off. So today I got opportunity to create a video for all of you. So let's show the park HCL Foundation provided. So first I will show that now it is a 4 p.m. Okay, so let's see the view of the park, and there are many children and families came today, as it is a winter season is going on. So many people are come every day if a sun is good. So today is also sun is good, you could see the brightness of sun. So it is a very good day to get the sun energy and warmers. So I show you the HCL Foundation Park. So let's see the view of the park. You could see this is the view of park. There are many equipments is also set up by HCL. You could see that the building, that is a HCL building, tower 6 and tower 5, and this is the view of park. You could see there is many equipments is set up by HCL Foundation, and there are many childrens using that equipments. You could see. So this is the equipment, gym equipments is set up here. So every day people could come here and use these equipments to build the body and do exercise regularly to fit themselves. As we know, healthy body is very important. As we know, healthy minds and healthy body is very necessary. Yes, you could see this is a view, and many people are coming and using the equipments and enjoying today. You could see also there are also some children are here they are playing the cricket. You could see also, see, they are also enjoying. Many people and many children are here who are playing the marbles. You could see here. So yes, it is a good park. People could come here and enjoy the park, as it is a good park, and many spaces provided here, and people could come and enjoy here. So let's see the view from here. This is the SL tower, you could see. Tower number 6. Today's sun is also very good here, so the sun energy is sufficient here to rejuvenate ourselves after a very cold winter in Noida. Yes, the temperature was 7 degrees Celsius, 8 degrees Celsius in past few days. It was very cold. The fog was in a maximum level. In that maximum level, you could not see even 2 or 3 meters away from your eyes. Fully fogged. Fully fogged here. So now talk about the locality near this Noida sector 126 where I am living. So basically you could see, so this is the before it was a village, and Noida, that is a Okhla. Basically Noida is abbreviated form, and the full form is New Okhla Industrial Development Authority. So it is an authority of Uttar Pradesh who basically established this Noida and established many industries here which providing financial help to the Uttar Pradesh. So Noida is the New Okhla Industrial Development Authority. Is a Uttar Pradesh government authority which is making wealth for Uttar Pradesh and also creating development for Uttar Pradesh. So where I am living, there are multiple of PGs here, which is created for the MIT university students as well as ACL employees. So I could see. So let's show also you. So you could see that are the buildings which is basically PG, where employees and the students are live there. There are multiple PGs stabilized there. You could see this is a one PG, another PG is also building there. So I just live behind of that building. In my building there is also building some rooms for students. So I also live there with my parents. So it is a Noida sector 126 where I live, and this is the ACL building. You could see Tower 6 and Tower 5, and enjoy. Children are enjoying here. You could see here. Yes, it is a very beautiful view, and you could enjoy by coming here. And today I also played cricket after how many years ago I also don't know. In my school days, you know, I plays every Sunday morning cricket. Sunday is my holiday, so I woke up early morning and go to the stadium to secure my pitch to play cricket with my friends. So I enjoy a lot cricket. So after how many years, maybe I could say last I have played the cricket on 2016, I believe. So then today I played cricket after, you could say, after 9 years. After 9 years again I played cricket, but I not secure a single run. My colleague batsman run out me, but I took 2 wickets in a single over and gave 7 runs, I could say. I took 2 wickets. So I played cricket today. So now I will say at last that as I came here, I saw many people are living their life, enjoying, and children are also playing cricket and enjoying today. So I will request to all of you that kindly secure some time for yourself to do some exercise, because exercise is very important. If you do exercise in a regularly basis, your health will be very good. You will be healthy, and health is our prime wealth, because if we are healthy, we could earn many wealth. So I will request you do regularly exercise, minimum 30 minutes or 1 hour. Find some time for you, so you could do the exercises. It will keep your mind health in a good position, and it is a very necessary. When you will grow, you will understand the importance of your health. So I will request to all of you, please get some time for do some exercise, which is very important. Yes, I believe which is very important. So now I will also join gym. In my SL Tech there is also gym, which I will join gym now. From tomorrow I will go to the gym and do regularly exercise. I got the importance of exercise, so definitely I will do that. I will also request you, please do exercise every day, which is very important. So the last thing I want to tell, yes, I will educate the 5 English words, as this is a channel created for learn English. So let's learn 5 English words which is important, and after learning that vocabulary, our English knowledge will improve. Okay, so just find 5 words near to me, okay, and then I will educate that 5 words. So you could see there is many people and children are playing there. So let's took a word from there, crowded. What is the meaning of crowded? I hope you could see that view. So we got a word, first word for today. It is a crowded. Crowded means a situation where many places, many peoples are accumulated and doing something. Crowded, its Hindi word is bheed bhar, crowded. So the meaning of crowded is bheed bhar, where many peoples are there and accumulated to do something. So first word which we learned is crowded, bheed bhar. So now let's learn the second word. So you could see there is a bench here where I could sit. So I am sitting here. You could see I am sitting here. This is a bench. So I am sitting here, but I am here not with anyone. So let's take a second word here, alone. So what is the meaning of alone? Alone means when you are not with someone, no any people with you, the situation arises, it's alone. The Hindi meaning of the alone is akela. As you could see right now, I am only alone, so मैं अभी अकेला हूँ. So this is our second word. Now let's learn the third word. So you could see here grasses. You could see that the grasses are very green. So let's take a word from here, greenery. The third word is our greenery. So what is the meaning of greenery? So basically the greenery means something very greeny. In Hindi you could see greenery means hara bhara. As you could see, there are many shrubs and little plants which are fully green in color. As you know, now there will be autumn season. In the autumn season, old leaves broke from the plants and new leaves and new flowers are grow from the plants. So you could see the third word is greenery. You could see here how many greenery plants is available here. Now let's learn the fourth word. The fourth word is plogging. So what is the meaning of plogging? Suppose I am now walking. If I will run like this, you could see I am jogging. And if I see something which is garbage here, let's show here. It is a polythene here. So I am collecting this polythene and I am jogging. So this is called plogging. What is the meaning of plogging? जब आप दौड़ते हुए कचरे को उठाते हो तो उसे कहा जाता है plogging. So from here I could see there are multiple bottles are here. Suppose I am taking this bottles, waste bottles here. A bottle is kept here. So I am taking this bottles from here and jogging, and now throwing or keeping this waste some in at a place where some garbage is collected. So you could see I have kept bottles here where are some garbage is also there. So this is called plogging. The fourth word is our plogging. Okay, when you are jogging and collecting the litter, it is called plogging. Okay, now the last word is quarrel. You could see there something, peoples are accumulated there, and maybe something happened there, and that's why they are quarreling. The Hindi meaning of quarrel is it's झगड़ा, and quarreling means झगड़ा करना. तो आप देख सकते हो कि वहाँ पर कुछ लोग मिलकर झगड़ा कर रहे होंगे, क्वारल कर रहे होंगे, तो इसलिए वो हमारा 5वां वर्ड हो गया. The fifth word which we learned today, quarrel, झगड़ा. Okay, so we also learned today 5 words. I hope you learned these 5 words and you will utilize these 5 words in your daily uses and will improve your vocabulary. Okay, so this is all about for today. Again we will come with a new video and learn something new. Okay, have a nice day, enjoy, do exercise regularly, keep healthy, wealthy, and always have a smile in your face. Bye.